family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing up this wavy talk straightening brush but because you guys know how my hair is, I've done everything with my hair. I shampoo it, deep condition. I also did my protein treatment today, and then I apply my heat protectant and I put it in these little balls because first of all, I'm going to use the rough air to at least scratch my hair a bit because this is like a straightening brush. And then instead of a straightening iron, I'm going to use this brush. I use this brush to straighten Aurora hair. It turned out so great, but you guys know Aurora hair texture is totally different from mine. So I'm going to test it on my full C hair. Now, what really got me to try this brush is that instead of it using raw heat, hard heat to straighten your hair, it uses steam. So there's this little thing, you open it up right here, and then you fill it up with water, and after you just close it back, it uses steam to straighten your hair. You guys know water and straight hair doesn't work, right? But some kind of technology, the steam helps protect your hair and it's straighten up your hair, which is great. Even though it protects your hair, it doesn't give you heat damage according to what it said, but it still uses some kind of heat. That's why I apply my heat protectant first before using this. So I'm gonna go blow dry my hair with my rough air, scratch my hair up with my rough air, and then we'll come back and put this straightening brush to a test on my hair texture, and let's see how it turned out. So this is my hair after I scratch it with the rough air blow dryer. I'm now just going in with the steamer. Actually, not me. You guys know what I mean. My daughter, Sonia. Can you guys imagine? Sonia, which was a baby when I started this channel. Now she's helping me to do my hair. She just going in with the straightening brush. And then I'm also just cutting. I'm giving myself a dusting because I have done so many big jobs, and my last big job that I did that was 9 months ago. So personally, I'm just dusting. That's what I've been doing lately. I just dust it in when it needs to go, and because I'm now trying to grow my hair, I'm not doing anything harmful to my hair anymore. So dusting it every year in there is working great for me, so I'm gonna stick with that. Now let's talk about this steamer. This is a 3-in-1 starting 2. It is also give your hair hydration from the steam. It's also 3 times faster straightening, and it have full temperature settings. On the last section, so far nice looking. It got a lot of body to it, which is great. So this steam straightening brush has advanced hydro infusion technology. This steam straightening brush uses ultrasound and circular heating to transform water into superfine, evenly heated vapor. The brush heats up very fast, and I also do not have any burning smell on my hair because someone asked that in the comment section. And also it works on multiple hair texture. My hair is kinky and it works on my hair very well. The next time I'm trying this brush, I'm going to try it without me blow drying my hair because I feel if I use this brush to blow dry my hair, I will have less talking on my hair and less breakage. For a straightening brush, it really got the kinks out from my hair. Next time I'm gonna try using it on dry hair, and then first pass will be like a blow dry, and then the second part will be like straightening it, because I noticed when I use this brush I have less breakage instead of me using a blow dryer with continually brushing through my hair. But for this brush to turn this my kinky hair to this, I'm not complaining at all. I'm not complaining. And again, we're using steam to straighten the hair, so it's not damaging to the hair. So yes, I love it. I'm going to continue to use it. Absolutely, yes, I am. If you want, I will leave the link down below for you to check it out. I'm in love with it. This is my new fun tool I'm going to use on my hair if I just want just a very quick straight hair. and it gave me a lot of body. Not only when I straighten my hair, it really flat because I have fine 4C hair, but this is great. I'm going to wrap this and see how it turned out tomorrow. But so far, 10 out of 10. For a straightening brush on a 4C hair, 10 out of 10. My hair is not even in the back because I do not wear my hair straight. I mean it wear it in its kinky state. And no, I'm not going to cut my hair blonde. Thanks for watching.